Natasha Baker here, wanting to share a little education with the type of integrative body work I do within my scope. So I want to discuss the lineage and the techniques and what it does and how it helps. So one of the techniques that I use is the Arvigo techniques of Mayan abdominal therapy. This started first as a spiritual healing, and it was inspired by a traditional Maya healer in Central America. The techniques were developed by Dr. Rosita Arvigo. She, based on her practice with a Mayan healer and shaman, Don Helio Panti. Dr. Rosita Arvigo did her own education and training and research as a naturopathic physician in the States, but the Arvigo Therapy Don Helio taught her were the techniques that work to restore the body to its natural balance, and by correcting the positions of the organs that have shifted or restricted blood flow and the lymph and any nerve or stagnant chi. So this therapy was founded on the ancient Mayan indigenous people. It's an abdominal massage, which is an external non-invasive manipulation that repositions internal organs that have shifted, thereby restricting blood flow, again, stuck chi, stagnant, lymph, nerve. So about over 30 years of Rosita's trainings and experience in naturopathic, herbology, spiritual healing, she developed these techniques which now bear her name. This modality incorporates a holistic approach to healthcare, which includes massage, anatomy and physiology, herbology, nutrition, emotional, and spiritual healing. Rosita believes that with natural healing techniques, these areas must be simultaneously addressed to promote optimal health. She also learned that these techniques from her mentor and the shaman, Don Helio. He was located in Central America, and she apprenticed with him for about 12 years. But Don Helio believed that if a woman's center is in her uterus, but if the woman's uterus is out of balance, so is she. So he would say all the time. Midwives and healers of Central America agree that most female troubles are caused by the wandering womb. So Rosita was amazed by Don Helio's knowledge of all of his 3,000 rainforest remedies. He was very wise, and she used to call him an open encyclopedia. But later on, in 1996, he ended up passing at 103. So Arvigo Therapy addresses positions of the health and pelvic floor and abdominal organs. The work is best known for the correction of a prolapsed, fallen, or tilted uterus, and for the prevention of treatment of benign prostate enlargement in men, or for the relief of common digestive issues or disorders. So if you might need additional information, you can go to my website at www.earthboundtherapeutics.com, or you can go to the Arvigo Institute and find a local practitioner in your area. Thanks for watching my video, and if you have any additional questions, just shoot me a message. And if you're trying to locate me in the area, you can find me at 305 Owen Drive in Fayetteville, North Carolina. Thanks so much, and have a great day.